Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 3 System of Equations Long Question Example 2. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, let me read the question now. So in the example 2, they ask us to solve the following simultaneous linear equation. Okay, the first equation, as you can see here, it's involved fraction, guys, where you have x over 3 plus y over 6 plus z equals to 1. Okay, for the second equation, x plus y plus 2z is equals to 11 over 3. And then for the third equation, they give 3x plus 2y equals to 7. Okay, I hope you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. So without further delay, let us start our discussion of the example 2 question, guys. Alright, let us begin. Okay, before moving on to the explanation, okay, ask yourself this question, guys. Is the number of variables equals to the number of equations shown in the question? Okay, let me pull it down. So as you can see here, you have x, y and z, which is in the 3 variables, and then you have 3 number of equations. Okay, you can ask this question, why there is no z over here? Okay, in this case, it's 3x plus 2y plus 0z, guys. That's why they choose to neglect the z over here. So they just want to trick you guys by showing 3x plus 2y. Okay, but then you should add the 0z. Okay, so that is the trick over here. Okay, let us start our discussion, guys. Since the first equation is involving the fraction over here, so the first step what we need to do is, so we need to change the fraction form into the normal form. So how are we going to do that? Okay, I'm going to show you now. Okay, so we rewrite the whole equation here. So x over 3 plus y over 6 plus z equals to 1. Okay, to eliminate the fraction under the x, so what you do, you times the whole equation by 3. Okay, let us continue. So when you times the whole equation by 3, you get x plus 3y over 6 plus 3z is equals to 3. Okay, so moving on to the next step, what you need to do, you need to eliminate the fraction formed under the y. So what you need to do, in this case, you times with 6. Okay, so when you times the whole equation by 6, now you're going to get 6x plus 3y plus 18z equals to 18. So from here you get your first equation. Okay, so once you get this, so the rest step should be similar, guys. So you label down the respective equation. So x plus y plus 2z is equals to 11 over 3. So this is your second equation. And then from here 3x plus 2y is equals to 7. So this is your third equation. Okay, so from here, once you have identified all the 3 equations over here and you label them, okay, moving on to the next step. So what you need to do is you need to start to reduce the 3 variables into 2 variables. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So we're going to perform the elimination method for 2 steps, guys, since you're going to eliminate 3 variables to 2 variables, and then from the 2 variables we're going to reduce it to 1. Okay, so I'm going to show you the working now. Okay, you can choose any variable, guys, it's up to you, but in this case I choose to eliminate the x variable since the x is pretty straightforward to eliminate. Okay, let us continue. So to eliminate x, so what I do is, so I do elimination for equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, in order to eliminate the x. Okay, so I perform elimination for the equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, since you want to eliminate the x, so what you do, for the equation 2 you times the whole equation by 6. Okay, let us continue. Okay, from here you should get 6x plus 3y plus 18z is equals to 18. So this is for the first equation, which has no change. But then for the second equation, okay, since you have times the whole equation by 6, you get here 6x plus 6y plus 12z equals to 22. Okay, to eliminate the 6x and 6x over here, what you do, you minus the both equation, guys. So you cancel this off. Okay, 6x minus 6x, you get 0. Okay, you minus these two equations respectively. Okay, you should get negative 3y plus 6z is equals to negative 4. So this is your fourth equation. Okay, we still need to perform another step of elimination, guys. For x, then only we can proceed to do the elimination method from two variables to one variable. Okay, so let us proceed to the next step for the remaining working. Okay, so please hold on for a moment. Okay, since we are going to perform elimination for the x variable, so for the second time, what we're going to do now is we're going to do elimination for the equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, for this equation 2 and equation 3, in order to eliminate x, what you do, the equation 2, you times the whole equation by 3. Okay, when you times the whole equation by 3, okay, from here, you should get 3x plus 3y plus 6z is equals to 11. Okay, this is for the second equation. And then 3x plus 2y plus 0z. Okay, remember guys, like I've mentioned in the early question, it's actually 0 over here, but then the question choose to neglect it. So it's actually a trick, guys. So make sure that you add a 0 over here. 0z is equals to 7. Okay, so this is your third equation. Okay, in order to eliminate this x, what you do is, so you minus these two equations. Okay, when you minus these two equations, you should get y plus 6z is equals to 4. So this is your fifth equation. Okay, as you notice in my working, I have boxed the equation 4 and equation 5. So there is a reason, guys, for why I'm boxing the two respective equations. So it is because what we're going to do is, we're going to perform simplification. We're going to perform the elimination method for the equation 4 and equation 5, guys. So let us proceed to the next step. So for step 2, what we're going to do is, we're going to reduce from two variables to one variable, guys. Okay, so how are you going to perform it? So using the equation 4 and equation 5, guys. Okay, you can choose any variable, but in this case, I choose to eliminate the z variable. Okay, you rewrite the whole equation 4 and equation 5 here, where you write here 3y plus 6z is equals to negative 4. So this is your equation 4, and then y plus 6z is equals to 4. So this is your fifth equation. Okay, I choose to eliminate the z variable. So what you do, in order to eliminate the z variable, what you do, 4 you minus with 5. So you cancel this out. So negative 3y you minus with y, you should get is negative 4y. So negative 4 minus with 4, you should get negative 8. So to get y, what you do, negative 8 you divide with negative 4, you should get your answer is 2. Okay, so this is your first answer, guys, we got from here. So once you get your y, okay, the second step what we need to do is, we can find our z value. So what we need to do is, we need to substitute our y value in either one of the following equation here, guys. Okay, when y is equals to 6, okay, so I choose to substitute in the fifth equation. So 2 plus 6z is equals to 4. 6z is equals to 2. So to get z, what you do, 2 you divide with 6. Okay, therefore you should get your z is equals to 1 over 3. So this is your second answer, guys. Okay, you already get your y answer and your z answer. So the only answer you need to find is x. So let us proceed to the last step, guys. So for the last step, what you need to do is, you need to find the x value using y and z value, which you have already found just now. Okay, so you substitute back in either three equations that I've mentioned by the question. So in this case, 3x plus 2 times with 2 plus 0 times with 1 over 3 is equals to 7. Okay, from here, 3x is equals to 3. So from here, to get your x, what you do, 3 you divide with 3. Therefore, you should get your x is equals to 1. So this is your final answer, guys. Okay, let me put back the question paper for your reference. So please hold on for a moment. Alright, that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.